gosh. Yo. I think I got a good. Yeah, I'm excited today. I think this is my wheel. All the way from China, man. Oh, shoot. Well, from Amazon, but, a lot of people order from China, so a lot of people don't realize that. But, yo, I can't believe I think I got my 3,000 watt wheel. Literally two times the power of both of those wheels combined. That's a 1,000 watt and that's a 1,500 watt. Two of them. Well, not two times, but you know what I mean. Oh, can't wait to open this thing, man. So here you go. It's open. It's definitely my wheel. I was worried that it's something else. I mean, if it's gonna be anything else, it'll probably be my sick ass PC that's coming through. But oh, my wheel is here. I don't need half of these, but definitely the manual. Can't wait to see the controller. Woo, comes with it. Oh, the Sabaton controller. The controller that everybody talks about. Yo, this controller is huge. Yeah, damn. That's a huge ass controller. Woo, and heavy. I'm trying to see if it's gonna fit in that little box over there. No, I'm probably gonna have to zip tie it this way on top of it. I'm gonna zip tie it. Damn, this is huge, man. They need to start making smaller controllers. I mean, luckily the rion that I'm getting is gonna be way smaller than this. So, well, very happy with that. Just way too big though. I'm glad it came with a tire. A tire. Ooh, happy, man. Ooh, that shit's heavy. 3,000 watt. I'm gonna have to use two hands for this guy, so hold on. So here it is. It's Kendall. I don't know. It looks like, let me make sure it's the same size that I'm looking for. 20 by 40. If you look at it, it looks smaller than that, but it is. Comes with free wheel. Comes with all the stuff. Doesn't say if it's 3,000 watts, but I figured it is. Yeah, 20 by 4, so good. Yeah. The PSI, okay. Make sure everything looks good. They zip tied it, so yeah. I'm gonna start putting this all together. Yeah, the hard part is really putting this together because since I'm using these right here rather than the XT90 and the XT60, I'm going to be using this. So I bought, got a lot of crazy stuff. Let me see, where's my stuff that I bought. I bought this spot for, oh, here we go, right here, boom. About a couple of these to see which one works for it. So pretty much you got to rewire it. And if I'm not mistaken, it also comes with a controller. Should be right here. So here we go. There's a box with the monitor. Pretty much just like the one I had before. So it's not really much difference. Yeah. Not that different. I don't know what all these extra stuff on the side is. But, I mean, it's pretty small, too. So, it'll fit right in the center. Even though I already have a centerpiece. But, it's okay. What's this? Oh, yeah. This is the remote. Sweet. This wire, I'm not going to use. Because I already have two wires, actually, already over there already. This is the crank arm for the back crank arm. Cool. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, these I don't need because I already have my nut brakes. My nut brakes with the inhibitors already in there, so I don't need it right here. So I got the nut brakes with the inhibitors in there already, so I don't need that. Besides, I mean, you're literally using the shitty what's it called, mechanical brakes. They suck. Oh, and I told them to give me a thumb throttle. which I didn't really need it because it's kind of plasticky. I actually bought a better version of it. Let me show you the difference. So as you can see this one, you can see this one. Looks way better compared to this one. These are much cheaper. So they're the same thing. They work the same. If not, I'll switch them out. And of course, I don't need this because I already have all my really cool handlebar stuff on it. So yeah, I pretty much have everything I need. The only thing you got to do is put it on and just make sure you program it. You have to program it. You have to use an app to program it. But other than that, yeah, everything. Oh yeah, and then you use a USB. I don't know. I'll look at the manual, but I heard you have to use the USB to do all the programming and stuff like that. But guys, everything's looking good. Can't wait to put it all together. So guys, stay tuned because I'm finally gonna be taking this bad boy out, man. I didn't expect it to come in yet, but I'm glad it did. I'll do a little bit now, and then I'll finish the rest tomorrow. So I'll be riding by next week or this week if I can finish it tonight. I mean, if I can finish it tonight or tomorrow, I'll be riding. All right, guys. So next time, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Rion signing out. Peace.